it's so important to understand that the future of the Balkans is the future of Europe and the other way around. So, and the lessons that we have learned first in Western Europe and now in Eastern Europe is that when we integrate countries, get them to cooperate, then we get peace. So this is, I mean, I'm totally convinced that the Balkans are heading for, they have peace now, but there are still some crises that can appear again. But if Balkans continue to come closer to Europe and be integrated into Europe and therefore be that we can see a more integrated Balkan, then there will be peace and more welfare in all the nation states there.